Guys, we'll go with the cause of the Civil War. Three big S's. Number one is sectionalism, right? We like your section more than the Union. Number two is slavery is an issue. Number three, states' rights. Whether states have rights to do certain things and whether the federal government could demand them to do other things. So these are the three main causes of the Civil War. Let's break it down. Number one, sectionalism. When one part of the country looks out for its own interests or thinks that the it's more important than any other part of the country. So let's say you live in the north and maybe you think that your part of the country is most important and the government should be helping your part of the country succeed. So they should be making laws and taxes helps your part of the country, even if it hurts a different part of the country. That's called sectionalism. And because of the differences between the North and the South and the West, it's very easy to be divided over the differences